This is the StewMac solder monster. It was invented by our shop manager, Dan Brooks, for assembling our pre-wired pickguards and harnesses. He needed a fixture that would help him hold all the components in place, and this is what he came up with. This thing has 4 arms that are 17 inches long each. That's plenty enough length to fit down in even the deepest guitar cavity. They bend in any direction, and they stay put once you've positioned them. The clips are insulated to keep the components clean and unmarked. They securely hold capacitors, wire, and circuit boards right where you need them. The middle arm attaches to your shop vac to remove any toxic fumes. The base bolts or clamps to your workbench. It holds spools of wire and your favorite soldering tools. This thing is way more useful than the old helping hands fixtures that we used to have in the shop.